and welcome back, my dear investors. Happy New Year. I'm so happy to be doing this right here in 2024. I want to thank you so much for 2023. 2023 was a very great year because of every one of you, my investors, my subscribers. Thank you so much. Welcome to a new year. Officially, happy new year and welcome to 2024. So today we'll be looking at the real estate outlook for 2024, and we'll also be reviewing 2023. What happened in the real estate market in 2023 and what should we be looking out for right here in 2024. So let's dive into it. If you're a new subscriber, my name is Peace Okafor, your real estate investment advisor and sales expert in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, and I bring you good properties to buy, to investing in Lagos, Nigeria. So if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because this year we'll be bringing you lots of properties and lots of investment tips for you to make the most of your investment. The real estate market in 2023 was, well, it was good, it was great, right? It was great. So from the beginning of the year, you know, like I always say, there are a lot of factors that affect real estate investment in Nigeria. You know, it's like that in every country, and one of them is government policies. So last year we saw a lot of bad government policies. From the beginning of the year, we had a cash crunch, right? We had a cash crunch that actually affected the real estate industry, especially the construction industry. You know, there were lots of delays in projects because a lot of developers could not access cash, you know, to pay laborers, and a lot of them. And then we had the dollar rate. We saw the worst spike in the dollar rate last year. A lot of things we use in Nigeria, especially in the construction industry, are all imported. You know, from imported roofing sheets, imported sanitary wares, imported tiles, and in fact a lot of things. So it actually affected the prices of houses last year. You know, we saw houses that, you know, used to sell for, let's say, 50 million, 45 million, selling for as high as 65 million, 70 million. And then to the big elephant in the room, inflation. You know, we saw the worst inflation we've ever seen before in the history of Nigeria. Last year, beginning of the year, as of January 2023, inflation was at 21.82, but as at November 2023, inflation was already at 28.2%. You know, and when we talk about inflation, is very simple. When prices goes up, imagine that you were buying cement at 200 naira and now you could buy it at 400 naira. That is just a simple, you know, a simple definition of inflation. When prices of goods and services goes up, and you know, it really affected the real estate industry. As you can see on the screen right now, you could see cement. As at 2018, cement was selling for 2,700, and as at first half of 2023, it jumped to 4,800. So these are the average prices of building materials. You can see block. As at 2018, it was selling for 210, but now from as at first half 2023, 450 naira. And you know, a lot of them, it affected cables, roofing sheets, paints, distribution boards, all of them, and all these contributed to the hike in prices of houses and even land. So also last year we saw land prices increase, and then we saw rental yield also increase last year. For instance, in the old Ikoyi, as at 2021, we had land prices averaging about 500,000 per square meter or thereabouts, but at 2023 we had it selling for 1.2 million naira per square meter. Also in Shangotedo last year experienced massive hike in the price of properties, right? As at 2021, land in Shangotedo was averaging around 21 billion naira, but as at last year, land prices in Shangotedo surged to about 48 million naira to even 50 million naira. And we're also expecting massive hike to in price of properties. Also looking at new areas like Ekpe, Ibejuleki, especially along the new international airport corridors, we had massive hike in the price of properties around that area, and also some areas in Ekpe. Now to 2024 outlook. What should you be looking out for in 2024? Where should you be investing in 2024? One of the major factors that affect real estate growth is urbanization, rapid population growth, and infrastructural development. And you can see those factors prevalent right here in Lagos. You have a lot of people migrating from the rural area to the urban area, thereby opening up new areas like Ibejuleki, Ekpe. Those areas are opening up. Population growth in Lagos and even in Nigeria. By 2050, the population of Nigeria is expected to have grown to 300 million. And you know, population growth places massive demand on real estate because there will be housing demands. You know, a lot of people will need shelter, we need housing to stay. So real estate will continue to grow. So in 2023, despite the fact that real estate in Lagos, in Nigeria, face, you know, harsh economic realities, in 2024, the sector will continue to be positive because lots of people need houses to stay in. So the demand for housing, the demand for properties are high, and investors also need where to invest in. So you can see it's a continuous change. So it will continue to grow and it will continue to be positive. The real estate market in 2024 presents lots of opportunities for investors that are very, very strategic and that have knowledge of the local market. Investors that know where to invest in, what is really happening. Investors that know where to invest in and where to put in their money for more profitable investment. I'm going to be telling you some sectors that you should consider, you know, pushing in more of your investments in 2024. Number one is rental yield. In 2024, one of the best places to, you know, to look out for when it comes to investing in real estate, especially here in Lagos, is rental properties, right? So in 2023, there was a gross rental yield ranging from about 14.3% to 17% in Nigeria, and anywhere from 10% when it comes to rental yield is very, very good. And Lagos actually made 70% of that rental yield, and that is to tell you that there is a huge demand for rental properties in Lagos. Very, very huge demand. The rental market in Lagos is very, very high. So I would advise you look towards rental properties. You look towards apartments, 2-bedroom apartments, 3-bedroom apartments, and you know, thereabouts. And other sectors to look into, you can also look into the hospitality sector, you know, short-let apartment. That sector also experienced a massive boom in 2023. And you should also look out for the retail sector, you know, look out for commercial spaces, shop spaces for you to invest in for rental yield. You know, like, you are going to make massive money. You're going to make profitable yield from the sectors. Then when it comes to land investment, right, you can look out for developing areas, right, especially the look at the new international airport access. That's actually that project is actually one of the key projects this year for the Lagos state government. You know, there are quite a lot of properties there, and there are also properties that are still coming up there, so you can take advantage of those ones. Those ones are still selling for pre-launch price. Like, we have the Tiara 2.0 selling very close to the airport side, and that one is selling for is a new property. It was just launched, right? It has not been launched yet, but it is selling on pre-launch. You can take advantage of that one. That one is selling for 15 million naira for now, as against other properties they're selling for about 50-60 million naira. You know, look out for those axes where the government is actually pushing lots of you know, infrastructural developments, right? So when it comes to land investment, you can look out for the axis. You can also look out for Shangotedo. Shangotedo is fast becoming, you know, like a rising star in the real estate space. Last year, Shangotedo actually experienced a spike in the price of properties, especially properties towards Monastery Road at Shangotedo. So you can look out for those areas also. Then you can also look out for areas that are still developing, some areas in Ekpe, especially if you're looking into long-term investment projects. So you can just buy land there in acres and leave it for a very long time. You know, that's why I said long time, because it will actually take up to 10 years or even more for it to develop. But if you're looking to go into real estate in the future and you're looking at the long term, right, you're not looking at fast turnover of your money, so you can go to Ekpe, just buy land in acres or even in hectares right there. But if you're looking for a fast turnover of your money, I would advise you go rental yield. Go for apartments that are in areas that are not too high, right, areas that are, you know, like at the middle, areas like Aja, Shongote. Because if you're going towards Lekki, the property prices will be very, very expensive. So look for areas like Aja, Shongotedo, Awoyaya, those areas, and you can key into rental properties around that area, off-plan rental properties, because that's where you make lots of money. So in summary, the real estate market in 2024 is looking so bright and lucrative, right? But you really need to have a good understanding of the local market. You need to understand what to invest in per time. So you need to be very, very strategic with your investment in order to to make maximum profit out of your investment. And if you're looking for someone to hold your hands or someone to guide you through investing in 2024, I am your best person. My name is Peace Okafor. I'm a real estate investment advisor in Lagos, Nigeria. So I can hold your hands and guide you through your real estate journey right here in 2024. You can call me on a number showing on your screen, or you can also send me a message on WhatsApp through the link in the caption below. I'll be ready to pilot you through your real estate journey in 2024. If this is your first time of coming across this channel, please like this video and turn on the notification bell. Also subscribe to this channel, because I'll be bringing you lots of properties for you to invest in right here in 2024. My name is Peace Okafor, and I'm so glad to have you right here on this channel. Stay tuned and make sure you subscribe to this channel.